Hey Nick, it's Chris here, Chris Turner of the Chris Turner Experience. I'm just making this quick video of the 2018 Toyota Corolla XSE model. This is the sport model, the sportiest model we have, the most technology we have. Toyota Safety Sense is in this car. I will send you a later email with attachments for those features. I just want to show you what this car has to offer you and how you can get into this car, save you some money, and get a lot more features than you have now in your current Corolla. So as you know, this is the Toyota Corolla XSE, which is slightly different than the Toyota Corolla SE lineup. It has more features and benefits over the other Corolla models, giving it more technology, more comfort, and more convenience features. Right now we're looking at the outside, and you have the aggressive sport wheels with the four-wheel disc brakes. At the back you do get the lip spoiler, which is well known to the sport Corolla lineup. Now the taillights have changed subtly compared to the previous years, but up front, as we wrap around to its bumpers and lights, they have changed drastically. So you can see you have more of an aggressive front bumper with the honeycomb style. You also have daytime LED running lights in the bottom lower corners. Up above you have individual headlights and high beam projector style lighting systems to give you a real aggressive look, but way better visibility at night or just on those dusky evenings or early mornings. Now Toyota Safety Sense, as I said, I will send you an email with links to those videos, has some simple sensors. They're all hidden behind the Toyota emblem. They're also all hidden up here where there's this little camera there. So what these features are lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system that will help prevent rear end collisions, dynamic radar cruise control, so you can set the cruise control up. It will follow the vehicle in front of you at the speed you have set and slow down if that vehicle slows down. It also has automatic headlights, but automatic high beams, so if you forget to dim your high beams when someone is coming towards you at night, it will dim it for you and then click them back on when that vehicle has passed. Now this vehicle has the smart key system. This key you just keep in your pocket. You never have to take it out again if you choose not to. So I'll put it in my pocket. As I walk up to the car and I touch the inside of the door handle, it will unlock. Then I can get into the vehicle. When I'm done, I can shut the door, touch these little lines here. Now the car is locked and I can now walk away and go on with my day. When we get into the car, you can see it has the full leather interior with the accented stitching and pin striping throughout the vehicle. So it does include that in the rear seats. As you can see, quite nice. It also has the center armrest with built-in cup holders to give a little more comfort and convenience to your rear passengers. They've upgraded the floor mats. Now this may seem minimal, but I love floor mats and I love ones that protect your carpet properly. As you can see, there's a lip here a little bit higher up. If you spill something, you just take it up, wash it out. It's also they are connected, so they are protecting the transmission hump there in the middle. Not that floor mats are too exciting, I just really wanted to highlight that because they are definitely important to me. Now, as we get inside, I shut things. Down here you have a heated steering wheel. That's a nice upgrade for this car. Leather wrapped steering wheel with accented stitching. Heated seats you still have here for your driver and passenger, low and high settings. Now to start this car with the push button, I just put my foot on the brake, hit that, and the car will start. Now this is the automatic version of this car, so you do have your transmission for drive. If I go over to the left, I can actually shift through the gears manually down gear. It does have a sport mode here, so it'll make the car drive a little bit more aggressively, quicker responding transmission, steering, and also your throttle pedal. And as we're on that note of the transmission, you can see you got paddle shifters for up and down gears right there. So you can just use your fingers, tap them, and go up and down the gears and drive like a race car driver. Now you do have, like I said, the technology package. So this is, we're on the home screen. So you can see you have your audio, you can have 4 speed down numbers. I've got my wife in there right now. And on the right you have half of the screen as your navigation. If I touch it, it will go full screen navigation. We've upgraded the processing speed of this system so it is quite quick to respond to your voice commands and your actions, as well as just in general quicker to respond. It still has a CD player, you can see there, plus your USB and auxiliary input here, so you can listen to all those portable music players. Plus, my phone is connected to the Bluetooth. I can stream music wirelessly through the stereo. Now, using the voice command system, I can tell the vehicle where I need to go. I need directions to an address.
Say the full address, including the city and the state or province, without the zip code.
4250 Bruce Street, Port Alberni, British Columbia.
Is 4250 Bruce Street, Port Alberni, British Columbia, correct?
Yes. So quite user-friendly, quite quick to react to what I needed to do, and we can get to where we need to go safely. So thanks, Nick, for your time watching this quick video. I really didn't hit every option in this video and every feature in this vehicle. I really want the opportunity to show you this car and everything it has to offer you. So I look forward to seeing you on the weekend. Hopefully you can still make it, and we will keep in touch between now and then. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.